Welcome to my YouTube channel Professional Update. Myself Suman Jana. Today I am discuss about CMA course. What is CMA course? What is the future of CMA? Why we are studying CMA? CMA course is going to global from the Institute of Cost Accounts of India, statutory body under Act of Parliament. Let's start the video about CMA course. First of all, CMA means Cost and Management Accountant. About the institution. The institute, as a part of its obligation, regulates the profession of cost and management accountancy, enrolls students for its course, provides coaching facilities to the students, organizes professional development programs for the members, and undertakes research programs in the field of cost and management accountancy. The institute pursues the vision of cost competitiveness, cost management, efficient use of resource, and structured approach to cost accounting as the key drives of the profession. With the current emphasis on management of resources, the specialized knowledge of evaluating operating efficiency and strategic management, the professionals are known as cost and management accountants. That's called CMS. The institute is under the administrative control of Ministry of Corporate Affairs MCA under Government of India. The institute is a founding member of the International Federation of Accountants IFAC, the Confederation of Asian and Pacific Accountants CAPA, and the South Asian Federation of Accountants SAFA. The historical background of the Institute Cost Accounts of India was first formed as a registered limited company in the year 1944 with the initial objective of promoting, regulating, and developing the profession of cost accountancy in the country. The institute was specifically asked by the government to vet the cost plus contracts of armed force during World War II period. Post-independence, the institute got statutory recognition when the Parliament of India enacted the Cost and Works Accountants Act, Act number 23rd of 1959, a special act on May 28, 1959 to acquire statutory recognition as a premier professional institute with the objectives of promoting, regulating, and developing the profession of cost and management accountancy. In 2012, the name of the institute was changed from the Institute of Cost and Works Accounts of India ICWAI to the Institute of Cost Accountants of India ICAI. The mission, vision, and motto of CMA course. CMA professionals would ethically drive enterprises globally by creating value to stakeholders in the regulatory context through competencies drawn from the integration of strategy, management, and accounting acquired through focused training and continuous education. CMS vision would be the preferred source of resources and professionals for the financial leadership of enterprises globally. Objective of CMS are management control, develop scientific methods, professional body of members, latest developments, best ethical standards, organize seminars and conferences, conduct research, publishing of books. CMA body in the largest body in Asia and second largest CMA body in the world. The institute network is very renownable. The 85,000 plus qualified CMA professionals, 143 exam centers including overseas exam centers, 434 recognized oral coaching centers, 52 CMA support centers, 2 centers of excellence, 11 overseas centers, 110 chapters across the country, 4 regional councils at Calcutta, Chennai, Delhi, and Mumbai, headquarters at Calcutta with another office at New Delhi, and also 5 lakh plus CMA students. The core strengths of CMA profession are building cost effectiveness, business analytics, strategy and sustainability, auditing and assurance, business valuation and product pricing, cost benefit analysis CBA, enterprise governance, effective regulatory landscape, benchmarking, cost and management accounting, financial management, direct and indirect tax management, management control system. The University of Grand Commission (UGC), Ministry of Education, Government of India has recognized the CMA qualification equivalent to post-graduation degree. It's a very good benchmarking of intermediate and final course of the Institute of Cost Accounts of India by UK NARIC. NARIC means National Recognition Information Centre of UK as equivalent to master degree in UK and UAE. The independent benchmarking of CMA qualification would ensure widespread international acceptance of CMA qualifications. Let's start about CMA course. Why CMA? Industry needs skilled and employable professionals. Gain expert knowledge in costing, accounting, compliance, taxation, strategic decision making. CMA professional efficiency. Pursuing CMA course ensures increased earning potential, earn while you earn, entrepreneurship skill development. Based on IFSC International Federation of Accounts guidelines, skill sets, knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation. The knowledge pillars: management, strategy, regulatory functions, financial reporting, mapped with curriculum of international bodies, aligned with UGC curriculum, aligned with state boards or central boards of foundation course as per industry requirement. CMA course can be even completed within 2 years and a half from foundation course route. Course for working personnel and while you learn can be studied along with any other academic and professional courses. Ready to serve industry even being a foundation or intermediate qualified. Eligibility criteria for CMA course. If you admission for foundation, then class 10 or equivalent pass minimum criteria for admission, or 10 plus 12 or equivalent for appearing examination. If you want to admission for intermediate, then CMA foundation or CAT or graduate or ICSI Institute of Company Secretary of India foundation qualified engineering pursuing engineering course, or ICAI intermediate. ICAI means Institute of Chartered Accountants of India interqualified. And if you want to admission for final, definitely you want to clear CMA intermediate course. Now we are details about CMA curriculum. Details about foundation course. Paper number 1, Fundamental Economics and Management. Paper 2, Fundamental of Accounting. Paper 3, Fundamentals of Law and Ethics. And paper 4, Fundamental of Business Mathematics and Statistics. Each paper 100 marks and qualifying pass marks is 40% and aggregate is 50%. It is also applicable for intermediate group 1, 2 and final group 3 and 4. Each papers 100 marks, each group aggregate 50% and each paper qualification marks is 40%. Now intermediate course. Group 1 is consisting of financial accounting, law and ethics, direct taxation, cost accounting, and group 2 consisting operation management and strategic management, cost and management accounting and financial management, indirect taxation and company accounts and audit. And now final course consisting group 3 are corporate laws and compliance, strategic financial management, strategic cost management decision making, direct tax laws and international taxation. Group 4 consisting are corporate financial reporting, indirect tax laws and practice, cost and management audit, strategic performance management and business valuations. There are total 20 papers of the CMA course. Value-added service for CMA students are state-of-the-art courseware, study materials, workbooks, webinars, PPTs, student e-bulletin, e-learning facilities 24/7, coaching oral or postal and trading. Oral means physical classes and postal means distance educations, mock test paper MTPs, online mock test facilities and e-libraries. Training requirement for CMA students: intermediate level, world-class skill training, practical training, and final level industry-oriented training program and practical program. World-class skill training. These are consisting of SAP training for 60 hours, SAP Business Power User course, SAP Learning Hub, and global certifications. Employability and soft skill training 80 hours, Microsoft Education and Certification for 40 hours, Cambridge University Press Soft Skill Education and Certification 20 hours, and e-filing certification for 20 hours. Institute skill training support for 140 hours. There are live online class for all modules, record class available as archive, webinars live and recorded, projects, assignments, performance monitoring and online assessment for skill training. There are practical training in industry or firm for CMA intermediate qualified. There is a mandatory for 15 months for training completion for appearing final exam both groups. There are a lot of objectives of the practical training scheme. You can see the objectives of the practical training schemes. Industry oriented training program IOTP. This is a 7 days program. It's a lot of technical sessions and soft skill, career planning, business etiquette, business ethics, communication, draft skill, presentation, group discussion, quiz, interview, and lot of subjects: accounts, taxations, cost, banking, treasury management, etc. And finally, day 7, there are industry and factory visits. Now, CMA student statistics: more than 1,40,000 students taken admission in CMA course during 2019 to 2021, and more than 2 lakh students appeared in CMA exam during 2019 to 2021. CMA examination result: December 2020 term, the last term. Final result: complete percentage 26, intermediate 33%, and foundation 75%. The course fee: foundation level in India 6,000 rupees and foreign $250, intermediate 23,100 and foreign $1,100, and final in India 25,000 and foreign $800. In Indian rupees, intermediate and final installment facility are available, which is available on the website. Please see the website icmai.in for the details installment and procedure for intermediate and final level. Financial aids and scholarships. CMA Institute provide a lot of financial aids and scholarship for economically challenged meritorious student, refund waiver of fees paid by physically challenged student, government scholarship scheme, and monetary scholarship scheme. Now we have discussed career opportunities for CMA. Career opportunities for CMA professionals. The various career opportunity for CMAs: they are provide service in industry or academia, they are practicing cost and management accountant, or they will start up a business as a CMA. The job opportunities: the identify areas is cost accounting, finance, taxation, internal control and auditing, treasury and investment management, project management, business analytics, academia, banking, resource management, risk management, and lot of many more. The administrative service: Indian Cost Accounting Service ICAS, Indian Administrative Service IAS, Indian Revenue Service IRS, Indian Foreign Service IFS, Indian Economic Service IES, and Indian Audit and Account Service IAS, and lot of more. Important job roles of CMS: they can be CMD, Chief Managing Director, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, CFO, Chief Financial Officer, Director Finance, President, Vice President of Finance, Head of Finance, Strategic Head, Cost Advisor, Financial Controller, Cost Controller, Risk Managers, Business Analyst, Equity Analyst, Dean or Professor of Finance, and many more. CMA professional opportunities for a practitioner cost accountant: they can a cost auditor, internal auditor, valuation and audits under GST, insolvency professional, register valuer, loss assessor, surveyor, tax consultants, and tax practitioners. arbitrator, advisor on fund management, financial service, information system audit, forensic audit, certification under such special economic zone, EOU, exclusive oriented unit, foreign trade policies, consultancy service, and many more. Overall, CMA campus placement, over 60% of students are recruited in campus in both public and private sector organizations. Average pay package Indian rupees 8 lakhs per annum. Highest pay package offered to fresh qualified CMAs to Indian rupees 20 lakhs per annum. Off-campus placement rates are ranging between 85% to 90%. CMA campus placement TVETs 2021 updated till June 2021. The phase 1 and second phase and highest CTC for 22 lakhs per annum, average CTC is 10 lakhs per annum. Total placement offered more than 500 CMAs. CMA campus placement initiative for sector-wise prominent recruiters. The public sector undertaking is banking, financial service, and insurance company. You can watch the company names and their logos. Information technology and consultancy, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and hospitality. Infrastructure, logistics, and automobiles, engineering, FMCG, and others, and many more. There is a big beneficial part for Student Connects portal. The student e-service is a lot of help for studying CMA courses. They can student e-service academic and administrative, webinars for student, e-learning knowledge series, e-class library, e-library, and mock test paper, and many more. Beyond the CMA course, more advanced CMA course studies. Advanced studies courses, diploma in information system security audit, diploma in forensic audit, certificate course in data analytics for finance professionals, SAP Finance Power user course, certified course in advanced business Excel for finance professionals, diploma in management accountancy, executive diploma in cost and management accounting for engineers, certificate course in arbitration, executive diploma in business valuation. There are a lot of taxation courses, TDS, GST, and income tax. There are a lot of GST audit and income tax assessment courses. BFSI courses, certification course on concurrent audit of banks, credit management, treasury, and international banking, certification course in investment management with NISM. ICMA introduced the valuation courses. ICMA registered valuers organizations. ICMA RVO is the frontline regulatory register with the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, IBBI. There are 1,500 valuer members, 250 plus registered valuers, 95 training programs, and 30 study centers across the India. The details about Insolvency Professional Agency of Institute of Cost Accounts of India, IPA-ICAI. CMA Chapter Network. There is a 4 chapter. Western India Regional Council, Southern India Regional Council, Eastern India Regional Council, and Northern India Regional Council. The 4 chapters details the West India sites, each and every area you can see. CMA Regional Council offices, the 4 regional addresses, phone number, email address you can contact. If you are interested to admission CMA course, then you can contact with your respective regions. CMA Overseas Centers. So total 11 CMA Overseas Centers from Canada, Washington DC, London, Dubai, Bahrain, Muscat, Nepal, Singapore, Tanzania, Zambia, and Botswana. Press coverage. CMA course going up global. You can say the Financial Express August 2020 and the Hindu for August 2020. The press coverage you can see. Be a CMA, be a proud Indian, be an enabler for self-reliant India. If you are interested about CMA course, please visit www.icmai.in. If you help about my video, then please like my video and my YouTube channel Professional Update. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and for going for the latest update. Thank you.